All, welcome to the next video. In this video we are going to solve a question from the chapter application of derivatives. So the question is, let f double dash x less than 0 for all x belongs to R and g of x equal to f of 2 minus x square plus f of x square, then g of x is increasing. Options are given. So they have given that f double dash x is less than 0. So since second derivative of f is 0, f is less than 0 means derivative of f dash x is negative. So what we can say, f dash x, its derivative is f double dash x. So f dash x is strictly decreasing. F dash x is strictly decreasing because its derivative is negative. Okay, so that we have. Now they are asking about the interval in which g of x is increasing. So obviously we will find g dash x. So what is g dash x? Chain rule I am applying. F dash 2 minus x square into derivative of 2 minus x square is minus 2x plus f dash x square into derivative of x square is 2x. So I have g dash x which is equal to, I can take 2x common. So I am getting f dash x square minus f dash 2 minus x square. Now when g dash x is positive, that is our answer. Okay, so how to find the inequality, how to find the sign of g dash x here? So sign is basically inequality. Okay, if x is positive means x greater than 0, so it is coming from an inequality. So here we have f dash x which is strictly increasing. So if we want to know whether this is positive or negative, we should consider its input. Okay, x1 less than x2, then f dash x1 will be greater than f dash x2 because f dash is a strictly increasing function. So this logic we are going to use here. For that we should know whether x square is positive or negative. To know that, let us take x square and 2 minus x square. It's better we draw its graph, y equal to x square and y equal to 2 minus x square. So it's a basic graphs only, both are basic graphs. So this is y equal to x square graph and this is y equal to 2 minus x square graph. So what will be this point? This point will be root 2 comma 0. And what will be this point and this point? This is again minus root 2 comma 0. This point will be 1 comma 1, correct? And this is minus 1 comma 1. And this is 0 comma 2. Okay, so we have the inequality relate between x square and 2 minus x square. So we can take different cases. So I am taking case 1 where x is from 1 to infinity. So x belongs to open interval 1 comma infinity. Then what you can say, this is our function g dash x. 2x is positive. 2x is positive. Okay. Now what about f dash x square minus f dash 2 minus x square? Which is larger? We have x square and we have 2 minus x square. Which is larger? X square is larger than 2 minus x square. So if I apply f dash, what will I get? F dash x square, inequality, sign of the inequality will change. So we got this. So f dash x square is less than f dash 2 minus x square. So what about g dash x? G dash x will be positive or negative? G dash x will be negative, is negative. So why? Because 2x is positive and this implies f dash x square minus f dash 2 minus x square is negative. So total negative we will get. So it is g is decreasing in that interval. Okay, g is decreasing. But what we need? The interval in which function is increasing. So that we got. Now what is the next step? Case 2. What is case 2? X belongs to 0 to 1. In this case again 2x is positive. What about x square and 2 minus x square? X square is less than 2 minus x square. So what will happen? F dash x square will be greater than f dash 2 minus x cube. So 2x is positive, you see 2x is positive, and f dash x square minus f dash 2 minus x square is also positive. So what I can say, g dash x is positive. So in this interval function is g is strictly increasing. Okay, so that we got. Now case 3 x belongs to minus 1 comma 0. Here 2x is negative and x square, look at the graph, x square is less than, again 2 minus x square, x square is less than 2 minus x square. So this portion will again be true. So but here 2x is negative, so both are, one is negative and the other is positive. So what will be g dash x? G dash x will be negative. Now our last case, case 4. In case 4 what we will get, x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1. Here 2x is negative and we have x square which is larger than 2 minus x square, similar to our first case. Then what will happen, f dash x square will be less than f dash 2 minus x square. So we have two terms, which one is 2x and the other is here 2x is negative and this is also negative. So both will be negative but their product will be positive. So g dash x will be positive. So function is increasing. So our final answer will be function is increasing in minus infinity to minus 1 union 0 to 1. Okay, so which option? Option C. Option C is the answer. Okay, so that's the answer for this question. I will be uploading questions of JEE advanced level. If you are interested, please subscribe. Okay, thank you.